hold you for life.
Today's day 2 in the Virgin Islands, guys. I am not sure if I'm gonna stay till tomorrow because there's a tropical storm. Boo. I want to go take some pictures and stuff today, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna see if a taxi will like take me around. But I got a knock on my door, so I think my breakfast is ready. We're gonna get breakfast. Actually want to record this, so let's see. Hold on. Should I put it right here on the basket, which is so cute? So. Hi, thank you. Okay. See, guys. Oh, I'm gonna leave my damn something there. Hey, look. Let me open the basket. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Alright, guys. So after eating this, I'm gonna stop and see if I could get a taxi to take me out in town to take some pictures, and then we'll get back here. I want to try KFC so bad, so that's my #1 mission before I go to try KFC. So let's get it done. These people are so flipping nice out here. It's ridiculous. So anyway, I'm just a walk. I don't know where I walk to. I'm trying to like get some pictures. Like right here is pretty, so I'm probably going to take some pictures right here and see. But it's nice. Look at the view. Like, oh, this is beautiful. Look at the town, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna see if I could get some pictures, and then afterwards I'm gonna go stop at KFC to get something. That's all right there, so.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
Okay, so I'm trying the KFC here. It's so freaking hot. Jesus Christ. But yeah, I'm gonna try the KFC and then I'm gonna go to the beach. I asked the taxi guy if he can come pick me up. What time is it? I'm gonna ask him to come get me around 1 to go to the beach. But yeah.
But I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feed me slowly.
I want to find Amelia a baby doll because that's what she wants me to bring back for her. So I'm gonna try to find her one doll and find Tyler the summer show.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Man said, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me and no go take shit. Vibe killer. You know I'm just that type. No, I'm not
Oh yeah, this is prettier. Thank you. Alright, so I'm gonna get Amelia this, and I'm gonna get something for my nephew.
What else?
And then you have anything for boys?
So these are, wherever you see I Love St. Thomas tag, just buy one get one half off.
Okay.
So you
can I mix it with a boy?
Yeah, you can. They have a same tag, yes.
We are back, but let me tell you something. You see that walk there? Let me just take a look a while. Hell, walk of hell. This is how KFC local. The fries. So these are the fries and then chicken. I'm soda right here, so walk of hell. Me just take on like walk of hell. I got the kids them some stuff, but everything comes to $100 and something. That's a lot of money. 100 and first it was 190 something. I'm like, hell no. I'm not pay that for one because Souvenir. I don't normally eat ketchup with my fries, but it's so fresh. There's no salt on here. I think I'm gonna leave tomorrow. I was gonna stay until Thursday, but I'm gonna leave tomorrow. So I need to go look and get a ticket to leave for tomorrow. I was gonna go to the beach, but I don't know, it's raining on and off. I could still go and do some type of water activities. I don't know. It's really beautiful here though. Really, really, really beautiful. Beautiful. Like, if you guys want to take your solo trip, go ahead and take it. Don't life too short for wait on people for follow you go somewhere or follow you to take trips. Just make sure that you wherever you pick is secure. Do your research. Call the hotel, find out if they have like a taxi driver or someone they could recommend for you to take you around. For the first time, like, I'll be definitely coming back here, but probably not in a hurricane season because it's hurricane season. I actually came in, but I'll be definitely coming back here. And when I'm coming back, I'm definitely gonna probably stay here and stay in the town area and then, you know, go around. But it's nice. I enjoy myself. I'm gonna go take some more pictures probably later on. But yeah, I'll eat it and come back to them. So I'm gonna go get something to eat. I am not dressed up. I just want something simple because when we telling us that mountain took me out, it was so. The mountain took me off for walk about. So yeah, but anyways, I want to get something to eat. So I'm just carrying it with my phone now. See, took some pictures and I'm here actually panicking because they're telling me that my flight could possibly cancel tomorrow. Yes, they closed the airport early today, so I don't know if I'm going to get a chance to go home. And I want to go home because I'm really tired. So yeah, let's go get something for drink. Well, okay, I feel nice. I'm just looking at the house. Guys, tell me why it's blowing up cat and dog. Like, why the hell me decide to travel in a hurricane season? So there is tropical. Matilda already said there is a storm coming. When this, well, the storm is already here. And guys, let me look outside. Let me show you. Look outside. Look on this shit. All the time I decide to travel by myself. Maybe if you can't see, I not go there for sure, you know. But the whole of the tree and stuff them I blow down, my love. I go to some me look at 2, 3, 4, 2 picture them and go walk the town today because I definitely have to come back here because I didn't get to do no water activities or anything. But I can't hear the storm outside. No, sir. But make sure I pack up my little suitcase and all the flights are like cancelled, but thank God my flight not cancelled. So we just have to pray out to God say it remain just like that, so we can make it back to Fort Lauderdale. Yeah. Are y'all hearing this? Alright guys, I'm going to bed. See y'all tomorrow.